The Trump administration has already partially dismantled the ACA by removing the so-called individual mandate and various other ways. If the current case due to the court after the election results in the ACA being disallowed, there will be very major ramifications. The expansions of Medicaid, which is a health insurance for the poor, and also the private insurance exchanges will be reversed. And this will put about 20 million additional people without insurance. And in addition, the ACA protections for people with existing illnesses to assure that they can get insurance and at an affordable rate, those protections will be dropped. And so you'll see quite a few tens of millions of people who will either be unable to get insurance or have to pay a lot more than they currently do.
And just on that, Professor, is it a foregone conclusion that if indeed we do see Coney Barrett onto the court, that this is the timeline, this is the chronology you think will happen next? You think that the ACA will definitely take another step back, and as you say, there are other ramifications perhaps for women's abortion rights as well. That will be the chronology in your view?
Well, I think it's a little bit hard to predict how the court will rule on the ACA. Certainly the people who are commenting on it believe that this is, by solidifying the conservative majority, greatly increases the chance of determining the ACA to be unconstitutional. In terms of abortion rights and maintaining Roe v. Wade, there is a very wide consensus that the existing court already was moving in the direction of undoing Roe v. Wade, and with an additional conservative member of the court, one who has spoken openly about her belief that any abortion is immoral, that that would almost certainly within a few years lead to the opportunity and perhaps the reality of declaring Roe v. Wade an incorrect decision, and therefore opening it up for states to prohibit abortion.
Do you think her Catholic faith is an issue? I noticed that the Democrats were very, very careful not to bring up her Catholicism as well. I mean, surely the right to practice and to believe in a certain religion is enshrined in the US as well. Do you believe her Catholicism is a problem then?
You know, I would say that her opinion on abortion is consistent with Catholic doctrine, but I don't know, the details of why she thinks the way she does. I like to aim for the American standard of keeping religion out of politics. It's not always easy to achieve, but that's our hope.